Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Toon Blast. This incredibly fun puzzle game challenges you to match 2 or more blocks of the same color to clear them from the board. Your main objective in each level is to complete specific tasks, which could involve collecting certain items or clearing various obstacles. It's all about strategic thinking and making smart moves to progress through the hundreds of exciting levels of understanding how to create and combine boosters is key to success. When you match 5 or 6 blocks of the same color, you'll create a powerful rocket that clears an entire row or column. Matching 7 or 8 blocks will form a bomb, which explodes a larger area around it. For the ultimate power-up, match 9 or more blocks to create a disco ball, clearing all blocks of one specific color on the board. Effective bowling requires a strategic mind and varied execution. To keep batsmen guessing, constantly vary your pace, line, and length with each delivery. Incorporate special deliveries, such as a searing yorker or a sharp bouncer, at opportune moments to create wicket-taking opportunities. Crucially, set your field placement strategically. Position your fielders to support your bowling plans, anticipating where the batsman might hit the ball, thereby maximizing your chances of taking wickets and restricting the opposition's score. To truly excel at Toon Blast, focus on creating powerful booster combinations. For example, combining a rocket and a bomb can clear a much larger area, while a disco ball with any other booster creates an incredible chain reaction. Don't be afraid to save your most powerful boosters for when you really need them. Take your time, analyze the board, and strategize your moves for maximum impact and fun.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.